Okay, get the hook ready, Mike.
Got it, El. This is heavy-duty stuff.
Start the belt.
These fractures aren't consistent with a normal predator. They knew exactly where to cut.
Quality check complete. Purity levels look good on this batch, and we are cleared for processing. Keep them moving, nice and neat. We want optimal alignment going into the processor. Good job over there. This one won't make the cut, too brittle.
The cascade cycle is complete. The ossification looks stable.
Good to go, Dustin.
The desiccation is complete. No residual moisture.
Confirmed. They are ready for the milling process.
This is it. There's no turning back now.
Are you sure we should be doing this?
We have to.
The temperature is critical. Adjusting the flow valve now. We need to maintain purification levels.
All right, the AlphaGen system is running smooth. We're pulling out the last of those impurities now.
Flow rate is stabilizing at 200 liters per minute. Hold it right there, Mike.
Confirmed, Lucas. Valve is secured. Got it logged. All right, the separation rate looks good. Keep monitoring the viscosity on the next batch.
B, adjust the flow regulator on conduit gamma.
Already on it, eh?
Pressure looks good. Vats are holding steady.
B, adjust the flow regulator on conduit gamma.
Already on it, eh?
Pressure looks good. Vats are holding steady.
I can confirm that all parameters meet AlphaGen Production's strict quality standards.
The purification phase is complete. The triglyceride product is now being transferred to the formulation area for final processing. Ceramides and hyaluronic acid are essential. They help restore the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture for a healthy look. Here we carefully blend gentle surfactants and essential vitamins. This unique CeraVe formula is specifically designed to be gentle on sensitive skin.
As you can see, the ingredients combine perfectly, creating a formula that balances effective cleansing and deep hydration.
We closely monitor the mixing speed and temperature because these factors directly impact the final texture and clinical effectiveness of the face wash.
As you can see, the ingredients combine perfectly, creating a formula that balances effective cleansing and deep hydration.
The texture is incredibly silky and the scent is so mild. CeraVe, developed with dermatologists, made in the USA.
This batch feels right.
Ceramide levels are steady.
Optimal viscosity reached.
Ceramides and hyaluronic acid work together to deeply hydrate and protect the skin barrier.
As you can see, the data confirms our rigorous quality control.
Absolutely. It's a testament to our USA manufacturing standards here at AlphaGen.
Adding the golden oil now.
Looks perfect. Keep it going.
The soothing properties of aloe vera, combined with the powerful antioxidants in green tea, create a perfect blend for skin repair.
These key ingredients, vitamins C and E, are essential for brightening the complexion and providing crucial antioxidant protection.
The data confirms stabilization. We've achieved optimal consistency.
Excellent. The lipids are perfectly synthesized.
Ready for the final testing phase. Here you see the powerful combination of botanicals and essential vitamins. It's specifically designed to... Here you see the powerful combination of botanicals and essential vitamins. It's specifically designed to...
The formula is perfect. We're gonna be rich.
Another successful venture, thanks to me. This machine utilizes advanced volumetric technology. That's how we ensure every bottle contains the precise amount of face wash, down to the milliliter. We slow it down so you can really see the smooth texture of the creamy CeraVe face wash. That's how you know it's high quality.
Look at that precision. Absolutely seamless. Oh, it's incredible.
Told you this place was state-of-the-art.
Welcome to AlphaGen production. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures optimal storage conditions for all CeraVe products.
We need to get these CeraVe boxes stacked up high in row 7.
Got it, Mike. Making sure we utilize every inch of space up there.
Looks good. All right, temperature holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius. Humidity's optimal. CeraVe tubes are secure. All right, the CeraVe shipment for AlphaGen is secure.
Looks good. Let's grab the next one.
The weather pattern shifted. We need to divert the northern fleet.
Acknowledged. Implementing new coordinates and notifying drivers.
Look at that glow.
Carved Tubes leaves your skin feeling absolutely amazing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the care with CeraVe. Brought to you by AlphaGen Production.